Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use Muscletech Muscletech Extreme 100% Mass Gainer. To begin, simply mix 1 serving, which is 5 scoops, with 16 ounces of water or skim milk. You can enjoy 1 to 2 servings per day, depending on your individual caloric and protein requirements. Remember to adjust the serving size to match your fitness goals. For optimal results, timing is key. Many users find it beneficial to consume 1 serving between their main meals to help maintain a consistent calorie surplus throughout the day. Another excellent time is immediately after your workout to aid in muscle recovery and replenish glycogen stores. Some even choose a serving before bed for sustained nutrient delivery. To ensure a smooth and enjoyable shake, we recommend using a blender. This helps to fully dissolve the powder and prevent any clumps. Feel free to customize your shake by adding ingredients like bananas, berries, or a spoonful of peanut butter for extra calories and flavor. You can also experiment with different liquids, such as almond milk or oat milk. While Muscletech Extreme 100% Mass Gainer is a powerful tool, remember to stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water daily. For the best gains, always combine its use with a balanced, nutrient-rich diet and a consistent, challenging exercise program. And as with any supplement, it's always wise to consult your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before starting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.